Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Make sure the base and headset have adequate charge and the included 3.5 mm cable or USB/optical adapter is at hand. First, power the base off to avoid glitches, then plug the wired cable firmly into the headset jack until it seats. Once done, route the cable to avoid strain and plug the other end into your controller or PC input. This prevents noise and intermittent audio. Make sure connections are snug, so the headset registers as a wired device. Now you configure audio routing so sound flows through the wired connection. On PC or console, set the output to the headset or optical/USB device and choose it as default playback and communications device. In system sound settings, adjust volume, balance, and sample rate to avoid clipping. On consoles, select chat audio to headset if voice is separate. Once done, disable or ignore wireless mode on the base to prevent routing conflicts. These steps ensure consistent game and chat audio through the Finish by testing both game audio and microphone. Join a quick voice chat or record a clip to confirm levels and clarity. Make small adjustments to headset side tone and mic gain so your voice is natural. If you encounter hiss, dropouts, or no audio at all, update the base firmware with the Astro command app and retry. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap the cable or port and reboot the host device. Many wired issues trace to a faulty cable, wrong port, or muted system setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.